Going on, guys? Good morning. I'm over here at the track with Danny. About to go on in like 5 minutes right now. A bunch of people here today that we know. Will and WR Technica. Kenny's over there with him. I be selling Fords. You guys that don't follow him on IG, he's got a badass GT350R build. It's fucking sick. It's like a full-on GT4 Mustang. Keith is here with the M4. Kevin's here with the GT3 RS that was here in the last video, or in my last video. He's here as well, so good group of cars today. And yeah, let me flip this around. It's kind of dusty out. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's pretty dusty out there for some reason. I know they just had the sweeper go on and clean off the track, but hopefully it's not gonna be too slippery and we can set down some fast lap times. Nice 4.58, I think, right? Daniel's GT4. So yeah. So it's been an hour since I come off track. I ran a 150.7. It's a new PB. I'm hoping to break into the 40s today, so we'll see. It's already getting hot though, so we'll see. I don't know exactly if it's gonna be possible or not. But yeah, still a good time out here. It's gonna be possible, Danny says. So I'll check back in, hopefully with the 140.
Felt like, you know, the Star Trek movies.
All right, so got done with the second session, ran a 52, and then I realized that I didn't fucking adjust my compression or rebound at all. So when I drive this thing on the street, I crank it all the way to soft. And yeah, so bonehead move. Got it all adjusted now, but I think we're past that window of setting the sub 50 because it's getting hot. We'll see. Kind of bummed that I didn't realize that I didn't do anything when I got here. So we'll see if I take this car on Sunday. Maybe I'll get it. We'll see if I remember to adjust the settings. So yeah. All right, so not having any luck getting any faster, but I did get a good session trying to hunt down Will. He's trying to dial in the GT350R that they have. It's pretty much like a GT4 spec, homemade spec GT350 Mustang. So completely gutted, Weld-in cage, MCS 4-ways, it's a badass fucking piece of machinery. So that was cool, trying to hunt him down, and then watching him drift and eventually just go right off the track was pretty funny. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy for the rest of the day and call it a day. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Gabe. I'm making a lot of track content, and if you guys enjoyed this track style vlog, please let me know if you'd like more. I mean, it's not necessarily a vlog, it's just kind of me talking in between sessions. So yeah, if this is what you guys like more than what I normally do, please let me know in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and talk to y'all soon. Later.